Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Verma. Please sit.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Verma. Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
You look prepared today.
Thank you, sir.
You look prepared today.
Yes, sir. I came early.
That is good discipline.
Yes, sir. I came early.
That is good discipline.
I reviewed yesterday's reports.
Any observations?
I reviewed yesterday's reports.
Any observations?
Sales increased slightly.
That is encouraging.
Sales increased slightly.
That is encouraging.
The team worked efficiently.
Did you guide them?
The team worked efficiently.
Did you guide them?
Yes, sir. I coordinated tasks.
Leadership is important.
Yes, sir. I coordinated tasks.
Leadership is important.
I agree, sir.
How was client feedback?
I agree, sir.
How was client feedback?
Mostly positive, sir.
Any concerns raised?
Mostly positive, sir.
Any concerns raised?
Delivery time was mentioned.
That needs improvement.
Delivery time was mentioned.
That needs improvement.
I am working on solutions.
Explain briefly.
I am working on solutions.
Explain briefly.
We can optimize schedules.
That sounds practical.
We can optimize schedules.
That sounds practical.
I also train new staff.
Good initiative.
I also train new staff.
Good initiative.
Thank you, sir.
How do they perform?
Thank you, sir.
How do they perform?
They are learning fast.
Training quality matters.
They are learning fast.
Training quality matters.
I ensure clear guidance.
That reflects responsibility.
I ensure clear guidance.
That reflects responsibility.
I value company standards.
That is appreciated.
I value company standards.
That is appreciated.
I also stayed late yesterday.
Commitment is visible.
I also stayed late yesterday.
Commitment is visible.
I aim for better results.
Do you have future plans?
I aim for better results.
Do you have future plans?
Yes, sir. Process improvement ideas.
Submit them in writing.
Yes, sir. Process improvement ideas.
Submit them in writing.
I will do it today.
Good time management.
I will do it today.
Good time management.
I respect deadlines, sir.
That builds trust.
I respect deadlines, sir.
That builds trust.
Your guidance helps me.
I expect growth from you.
Your guidance helps me.
I expect growth from you.
I will not disappoint.
Keep this attitude.
I will not disappoint.
Keep this attitude.
Certainly, sir.
You may proceed now.
Certainly, sir.
You may proceed now.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Good work, firma.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Good work, firma.